Kelly Boys is a small batch bakery here in Hilo, Hawaii. And we started the business in 1985. 1986. I really don't keep track because when you're having fun, you don't think about the time.
He does. He has a lot of fun making his bread products. Kelly first worked in the school cafeterias, and when he was making his bread there, the teachers and the students said, "Oh my God, this bread is so good. You gotta sell it." I think the success of a business is when you have the heart for your product and then you have the heart for the people. That combination, it just brings you joy to do business and to sell your product.
And if you do it right, then the money part just follows.
And it's wonderful when we partner with KTA. There's a desire to uplift the community and to show aloha to the community.
This is our milk bread, just coming out of the oven. Everything's made first thing in the morning. I would have people follow me to the racks when I'm delivering, literally right behind me, waiting for me to put bread on the shelves, and they follow me.
It's because we're a small batch bakery. We're making smaller batches with lots of care, with lots of intention that it tastes really good. And then we bring it to the shelves. Within that day, I feel like that's the success for the taste of the product too.
I eat this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I haven't bought a loaf of bread in over 30 years.